Welcome to our step-by-step guide on migrating from Android to iOS in 2025. If you're considering a switch, you're in the right place. Before you make the switch, it's crucial to back up your data on your Android device. Let's go through those steps together. Choosing the right iOS device is essential. Consider factors like size, features, and budget. Now that you have your new iOS device, let's start with the initial setup to get you up and running. Using the Move to iOS app simplifies the migration process. Here's how to use it step by step. Now, let's dive into transferring your data, contacts, photos, and messages. It's easier than you think. Not all apps are directly transferable. We'll look at how to find alternatives for your favorite Android apps on iOS. Now it's time to adjust your settings. Customize your new iOS experience to make it feel like home. Explore the exciting features of iOS. There are key differences compared to Android, so let's highlight what to look for. Congratulations on your successful migration. Embrace your new iOS experience. It's more than just a new device.